Well, you've all seen me when I've been wet flatting before. Normally you see me mask all these lines up across here, but because I do have quite a lot of experience, I show the videos and protect the customer cars, basically to protect myself. But I know how much paint's on this car, but I'm going to show you that basically that I can flat. You'll watch me flat this, and then I'll take the camera off the stand and show you what I mean. So normally I would tape up these swage lines, but if I flat the orange peel, you can see I'm actually going over the line, or I appear to be flatting above the line that you would normally want to protect. Now I'm keeping the block dead flat to the panel, and bear in mind that the orange peel does start, you know, it's not over the whole car, so it will be over the edge of the line as well. So right, let's wipe this off. I'm just going to remove the camera from the tripod, so bear with me a second. Right, now you can see where I've been flatting, and you can see that you can still see the shiny paint, 1/8 of an inch of it from the line. Now you obviously seen me flatting up here, you can still see the orange peel, but you imagine I've flatted this, but you see the shine on the line, and that's the edge of that swage line where it's shiny. And you can see, even though I've been holding the block flat, that I've still managed not to flat on the actual line. And it's literally the way you control the pad. Obviously this needs more flatting, because you can see, but it was just a quick, you've just seen it was just a quick little flat just to show this. But I thought I'd show, you know, the edge is still being protected. I haven't actually took any material from that edge. Now what I will do, when I use the next stage at 3000 grit, I will use it with a finger, and I'll be taking that edge off, because even the edge has little orange peel dots on it. So when I 3000 grit it, I'll just go over the edge, so that I'm not using a coarse paper. But you know, just thought I'd show that, you know, in future if you see me flatting without taping something up, then you know that I'm still not going over the edge, because I'm conscious of it all the time, and you should be conscious. But just thought I'd show that. So I'll see you a little bit later when I finish flatting it. Again, the door's all been flatted with 2000 and 3000 grit, and I'm just mowing out the flatting marks now using a wall pad, just a generic pad, I don't know what make it is, and Menzerner 300 heavy cut compound. it's getting the flatting marks out of treat, but it's not really giving a good enough gloss to leave, but it'll be going through a few stages anyway. But I just thought I'd show some of the cutting. Now, because this is 2K paint and there's no clear coat over it, you can see that it's gathering up some of the colour as it cuts it. So after every set, that was one set, it'll be blown out using the airline, clean the pad, reload it, and then hit it again. I'm not going to put you through it all, watching it all, but that's what we're up to. So I'll show you a bit more in a bit.